Students listen, now we are going to see self practice 14b. Before seeing this, students listen, self practice 14a, I have sent the images of it, okay, in your group, WhatsApp group. Okay students, now let's see self practice 14b. Okay, self practice 14b. First question, find area of a rectangle which has the following dimensions. This is very easy question. Okay students, first question, A subdivision, 18 centimeter by 10 centimeter. Okay, so this is L, that is equal to 18, and B equal to 10. So here area that is equal to L into B, so 18 into 10, that is equal to 180 centimeter square. Is it clear? Okay, students listen, B and C subdivisions are very easy, you can do by yourself. Okay, then second question, find the area of a square whose side lengths equal. Whose side lengths equal, area of square. Okay, here area of square, that means students listen, here first A subdivision, 7 centimeter. Okay, side that is equal to 7 centimeter. So area that is equal to, what is the formula? S square. So here L into B, na? Here formula L into B, area formula L into B. Okay, so here S square, that is equal to 7 into 7, that is equal to 49 centimeter square. Is it clear? Then B, C, D sums of homework you can do by yourself. Then third question, find in hectares the area of A. The given questions. Okay, find in hectares the area of a first question, rectangular form measuring 400 meter by 275 meter. Okay, so we have to find the areas in hectares. So students listen, before seeing this you should know the hectare. So how many meters that is equal to hectare? 10,000 meter that is equal to hectare. I will clear it. Okay, now let's see third question. First A subdivision. So A subdivision, first rectangular form measuring 400 meter by 275 meters. So here L that is equal to 400 meter. Okay, B that is equal to 275 meter. Okay students, 275 meter. So here area that is equal to 400, because L into B, na? So 400 into 275. You just multiply it. 275 into 4, 275 into 4, 22, 11. Okay, so 11 00 20 more. Okay, so here students listen, 10,000 meters square, 10,000 square meters, otherwise 10,000 square meters, that is equal to 1 hectare. 1 hectare. Okay, 1 hectare. So students listen, here 1,10,000 meter square, or otherwise square meter, both are same, square meter or meter square. So here we should convert it into hectare. How do you convert it? So how do you convert this? You have known 10,000 square meter, that is equal to 1 hectare. So you should divide this amount by 10,000. Then so area that is equal to 1,10,000 divided by 10,000. Okay, you just, okay, so that is equal to 11 hectare. 11 hectares. Is it clear students? Good. Then okay, then B subdivision is homework. Okay, then fourth question, let's move to fourth question. Find the length of a rectangle whose area 360 centimeter squared and breadth 15 centimeter. So here area that is equal to 360 centimeter squared. So listen students, here area that is equal to 360 centimeter squared. Okay, 360 centimeter squared. Then breadth that is equal to 15 centimeter. You have to find length. Okay, so students listen, area that is equal to L into B. Okay, so here we have got 360. So area 360, then L we don't know, into B 15. Okay, so L into 15, that is equal to 360. L that is equal to 360 by 15. Okay, 3 5s are 15, 7 5s are 35, 2. Okay, then here 1 3 are 3, here 2 3s are 6, 12, 4. So what is the answer here? L equal to 24. So L equal to 24 centimeter. Is it clear, students? Good. Then students listen. B question is homework. Okay. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Then fifth question. Let's move to fifth question. What is that? Find the perimeter of a square whose area is. So here we are given with area. Okay. Using the area, we have to find perimeter. How do you find the perimeter? First, you should find the a side or length. If a square is given, then you should find the side. If rectangle is given, then you should find the length and breadth. Is it clear? Is it clear? So and you can easily find the perimeter. So now let's take fifth question, A subdivision. Okay, perimeter of a square whose area is area that is equal to 49 centimeter square. Area that is equal to 49 centimeter square. Okay, students. So here using area, we have known area. Okay, so we have to find perimeter of a square. How do you find it? First, s square that is equal to 49 na 49. So s that is equal to root of 49. So what is that? S that is equal to 7, because 7 into 7 49 na. So s side that is equal to 7. Here we have got side that is equal to 7. Then find the perimeter. What is the perimeter formula? Perimeter that is equal to 4 into side. Okay, so that is equal to 4 into 7, 28 centimeter. 28 centimeter. Students listen here, one important thing. What is that? When we write perimeter in unit only, okay, you should write the unit. Okay, but area, when we mention the area, you should put the measurement with square units. Is it clear? You should put the answer with square units. Is it clear? So area. For perimeter, you can write the unit only. Is it clear, students? Good. Then now let's move to sixth question. Okay, sixth question. Find the area of a square whose perimeter is 84 centimeter. Here perimeter is given. Okay, so perimeter that is equal to, okay, perimeter that is equal to 84 centimeter. We have to find area of a square. Okay, area of square. What is that? Students listen, how do you find it? Perimeter that is equal to 84 centimeter na? So what is the formula? 4 into side that is equal to 84. So here side that is equal to 84 divided by 4. If you cancel it, then 21. Side that is equal to 21. Okay, then area of square that is equal to s square. So that is equal to 21 into 21, that is equal to 441 centimeter square. Is it clear, students? Students listen, if perimeter is given or otherwise area is given, first you should find the side. Okay, and then you can use the formula, area or perimeter formula, and then you can find the answer. Is it clear? Then sixth B subdivision is a homework. Seventh question. Mr. Saxena bought a plot of land 80 meter by 40 meter length and breadth, okay, at 50,000 per meter square. How much did the plot cost him? Students listen, rupees 50,000 per meter square. So first you should find the area of the plot. Okay, so here this is 80 meter length and 40 meter breadth, so this is a rectangle shape. So students listen, seventh question. So area of rectangle that is equal to area of plot or area of rectangle that is equal to L into B L into B. Here I have written short step only. Okay, you can write this way, or otherwise you can put the all information and then you can write the steps. Okay, is it clear? L into B. Okay, here L that is equal to 80 and B that is equal to 40. So 80 into 40, 8 4s are 32 na. So 3000 3200. 3200 meters square. 3200 meters square. Here students listen. Saxena bought a plot of land at 50,000 per meter square. 50,000 per meter square. So per meter square that is equal to 50,000. Listen students. Listen, cost of 1 square meter or meter square that is equal to 50,000. Okay, and then cost of 3,200 meter square that is equal to 3,200 into 50,000. Okay, so 32 into 5, 2 5s are 10, 1 3 5s are 15, 60. Then here 20, here 40 na, 20 3 4. Okay, 1 tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So that is equal to 16 crore. 16 crore rupees. You can write rupees 16 crore. Is it clear, students? Good. Then listen students, now 8th question. Listen students, 8th question. How many tiles each 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter are required for the floor of a room? 12 meter long and 9 meter wide. So length and breadth of one tile that is equal to 25 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Okay, length and breadth of a room 12 meter and 9 meter. Okay, here we have to find how many tiles are required for a floor of a room. Okay, so first you should find the area of room. So area of the room, area of a room, area of room that is equal to L into B na, that is equal to 12 area of the room, L into B, 12 into 9 that is equal to 2 9s are 18, 1 10, so 108 meter square. Okay, and then area of one tile, area of one tile that is equal to 25 into 20. So that is equal to 25 into 2, 50. So 500 centimeter square. 500 centimeter square. Students listen, here you should convert it into meter because area of the room is in meter square meter so you should convert it into meter. How do you convert it? So now students listen, you should convert it into meter square. For this you have to divide the number by 100 into 100 because here I have written 100 into 100 because 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter, other 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Okay, here centimeter into centimeter na, so you should write 100 into 100. Okay, so you just cancel it, and then this is here 2 zeros na, so you should move 2 digit 1 2, before that you have to put point. Okay, so 0.05 meter, 0.05 meter squared. Area of one tile that is equal to 0.05 meter square. Students listen, question, how many tiles are required for the floor of a room? So number of tiles required, number of tiles, okay, number of tiles required that is equal to 0.05 108 divided by 0.05. okay, because area of the room 108 that is equal to 108 divided by 0.05. so you just multiply by 100 numerator and denominator. You just multiply by 100 numerator and denominator, then that is equal to 10800, then this will be 5. okay, just cancel it, 2 5s are 10, 1 5s are 5, 30, 6 0. so answer number of tiles required that is equal to 2160. Is it clear, students? Good. Then listen students, in this question you have to do by another step, no problem. Here you should convert it into centimeter squared. For this you have to multiply with this by 10,000. very good, 100 into 100. okay, and then you can divide the number by 500. okay, then you can get the answer easily. Is it clear? okay, now students listen, 9th question is homework. 10th question. 10th question is also homework. Then let's move to 11th question. Okay, let's move to 11th question. Okay, here the figure shown is composed of two squares. The area of the shaded region is 56 square centimeter. What is the side length of the larger square if the side length of a small square is 13 centimeter? Students, listen. For question, you can read your book. Just okay. First you should understand the question, then only you can do the steps easily. Here, consider the shape. Okay, 56, the shaded region is the area of the shaded region. The area of the shaded region is 56 square centimeter. Okay, so what is the side length of the larger square? Here, this is smaller square. Okay, this is smaller square, this is larger square. Okay, so here we have to find what is the side length of the larger square. If the side length of the small square is 13 centimeter, so this is 13 centimeter. Okay, this is 13 centimeter. So how do you find it? Students, listen. This is 13 centimeter na? So first you should find the area of this one. Okay, and then you should add this area and this area. Then you can get the area of larger square. Okay, and then you can find the side of the larger square. Is it clear? So first, area of smaller square. Area of small square, that is equal to 13 into 13, that is equal to 169 square centimeter. Square centimeter or centimeter square, both are right. Okay, both are right, no problem. So 169 centimeter squared. Then area of larger square, that is equal to 169 plus 56. 169 plus 56, that is equal to 225 square centimeter. Okay, so then what is the side of larger area? S squared, that is equal to 225. So S, that is equal to root of 225. So that is equal to 15 centimeters. So answer is 15 centimeter. Is it clear, students? Good. Thank you.